Forage harvesting is a competitive environment with high pressure to deliver on time and in the best working quality. At John Deere, we drive to deliver class-leading performance inside our machines. This is our new 9000 series SPFH. The objective in the development of the 9000 series was to significantly increase throughput and at the same time achieve greatly reduced fuel consumption for the customer. We decided on the Liebherr engine because it offers the optimum engine characteristics for forage harvesters while delivering very low fuel consumption. The engine delivers constant power over a very wide range with high torque reserves even at low speeds. The V12 engine is the perfect match for our machine considering its design. In order to make the most of the engine's power and ensure ideal power transmission, we further improved the powertrain. The transmission ratio of the angular gear is optimally matched to the characteristics of the V12 engine. Additionally, the front attachment drive is designed for higher outputs and throughputs. As an example, we increased the knife drum speed and torque on the pre-press rolls to accommodate the higher throughput of the 9000 series. We set ourselves clear objectives for the further development of our concept: at least 10% more productivity and at least 10% less fuel consumption. At the same time, we wanted to present this new level of performance visually. For this, we have made our machine even more dynamic in terms of styling. You can definitely see the 9000 is the ringleader.